A song, guys, I've been working on. Gotta wear the hat because I make funny faces, so don't judge me. Excuse me. Such allergies. It's like allergy season. So, this is called Care, and I own completely all the rights to it. So, all the words are in the making still, but I'm digging the vibe a little bit. So, obviously, enough to write some words. Just kidding. All right, here we go. And don't you care about my sacrifice? And don't you care about what we did? And don't you care about what we built? And don't you care? And don't you care? And don't you care about my sacrifice? And don't you care about what we do or what we build?